Hello, good friends. It's me, Mr. Prof, coming to you from my dining room here in sunny Santa Monica, California. We've been talking about some of the things that living creatures depend on trees for. And one of them we said was food. There are a lot of living creatures, including people, that eat food that comes from trees. If you remember back when we were looking at our read along called Be a Friend to Trees, it talked about some of the different animals that get their food from trees. Let's take a look at a couple right here. First one is really tiny. It's up here, but a caterpillar gets its food from trees, right? Caterpillars will eat the leaves of some trees. Deer, right? A deer will eat the leaves of a tree. Koalas famously eat tree leaves, and they actually eat a very specific kind of tree leaf. They will only eat leaves from a tree called a eucalyptus tree. So koalas live in a tree and they eat the leaves. Some other animals that get their food from trees, giraffes. In fact, that's why giraffes have such long necks, is because where they live in the savanna of Africa, the trees are really super tall. So in order to eat the leaves, they have to be able to reach up really high, and that's where their necks and their crazy long tongues come in handy. Elephants also eat trees. Porcupines will actually eat, they don't eat the leaves, they eat the inside of the tree. They will nibble away at the bark, which is kind of the hard, the rough outside of the tree, and they'll eat sort of the soft, juicy bits inside. Interesting. Porcupines. I didn't know porcupines ate trees. I always thought, I don't know, thought they ate, like spaghetti or something. So your writing assignment today, your job is to think of an animal that gets its food from a tree, draw a picture of that animal, and write a sentence to go with it. For example, if you decided you wanted to draw a picture of a giraffe, you would draw a picture of a giraffe and then write giraffes eat tree leaves or something like that. So your job is to think of an animal that eats food that comes from a tree, and then draw a picture of it and write a sentence to go with it. There you go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're going to talk about this in class. So if you have questions, you can talk to us during your small group time, or you can send us a message. Either way, look forward to hearing from you. Okay, closing statement. Prof out.